Have you ever tried the Trivandrum style Kaara Bonda, the spicy Bonda? If not, this is the recipe for a perfect Kaara Bonda. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can make 20 small bondas or vadas like this. We need 1 cup of chana dal, half cup of urd dal, wash 2 to 3 times, soak for 2 hours. 1/4 cup chana dal, wash it and soak for 2 hours on a separate bowl. Drain all the water from the mixed dal, transfer to a blender, add 1/4 cup of water and blend into a rough, smooth texture. Transfer to a bowl. When you grind it, the texture must be like this, the kosher type. Add the soaked chana, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, few curry leaves finely chopped, 4 pieces of chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, all onto the bowl and combine well to this consistency. Dip your hand in the water so it won't stick to your hand. Make small balls like this and fry in hot oil. Flip it in between gently. When it is rich brown in color, remove from the oil and drain all the oil. On a rainy day or a snowy day like this, let's have a Kaara Bonda, a spicy Bonda with a hot cup of tea. Just enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to give me support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Just make sure you try it.